Hello guys, this is going to be a rather unusual video for you guys, but the reason I haven't been making any videos lately was because I've been doing a lot of research and other things which prevent me from playing Xbox, and I'm pretty much set and I'm going to build my first gaming PC. Now, some of you may be wondering, why are you building a gaming PC when you have an Xbox 360? And that is because a gaming PC far outperforms any console that has ever been released, depending on any time frame. Even when the Xbox 720 and the PS4 is going to be released, my gaming PC will most likely, the parts that I have will most likely be able to still keep up with it, and all I have to do is just upgrade the parts to the more current day GPUs or CPUs, and I'll still be outperforming the next gen systems. So gaming PCs, their graphical output, their customization abilities, their raw options that you have just far exceed consoles. Now, the main reason why I am upgrading to a gaming PC is because they are cheaper down the road than consoles. So this video right here is going to be an unboxing of the core, basically one of the core components of a gaming PC, and that is the motherboard. I already have the case. I didn't do an unboxing of that because the box was just so large, and this camera's field of view for some reason is so focused in, and it doesn't zoom out like as the way I wanted it. So this is not me talking while I'm doing the unboxing. This is just a voiceover. So let's get to the actual part. Those are just documentations. This isn't a I/O panel that you put on the back of the desktop, so you can actually have access to the ports on the back of your motherboard. Those are SATA cables, which connects to hard drives, SSDs, and DVD drives. Those are just data cables. You also need a power cable, and that's just a simple strap that you can use to cable management. The case that I bought, which is a half 912 from Cooler Master, amazing case, that comes with a lot more wire ties for cables. Now you have this is a rigid SLI bridge. An SLI bridge is a sort of, it basically bridges two GPUs together so they can work in tandem, increasing your performance. And that is a crossfire bridge that I'm attempting to open right now. The crossfire bridge and the SLI bridge, basically they're the same in their sense, but one is for different companies. You have AMD, Radeon, and then you have NVIDIA GeForce. The SLI bridge is for the NVIDIA GeForce line, which is from NVIDIA, and the crossfire, which is what you see right here, is for the AMD Radeon line. I am getting the GPU that I'm getting is going to be like the last component. It's not going to come anytime soon. It's going to be an AMD Radeon HD7850. So what I'm going to get next week is going to be everything that I need to have the computer up and running. I'm going to be getting a Core i7 3450. The Core i5 3450 is an Ivy Bridge processor, which is the latest forms of processors that Intel has released. The Ivy Bridge runs on a 22 nanometer process, so it's able to fit in more transistors, which in terms gives you better performance. And the main things are, it uses less wattage, and it runs pretty much cooler as a result. So these chips, really, they're good for desktops and laptops, but mainly laptops because they use less wattage. And a CPU that loses less wattage on a laptop is the best thing that you can have, because you're just going to increase your battery life. So now I have the motherboard in front of you. This motherboard, the reason why I got it is because you can overclock pretty much anything on this motherboard. It's a very nice motherboard. I only got it for $110. It has all of the latest features out, so it's pretty much future proof. It has two USB 3.0 ports on the back, and the USB 3.0 ports can be expanded to 4 total using the USB 3.0 header on the motherboard itself. It has PCI Express 3.0 slots. I believe it's 3 of them. The PCI Express 3.0 would only run if, 1, you have an Ivy Bridge CPU, and 2, your graphics card actually supports PCI Express 3.0. The graphics card that I'm going to be getting later on is a AMD Radeon HD 7850. So this is just going to be a tour of the motherboard. That is right there that I'm trying to. This is just a protective cover of the CPU socket. That's how it looks. So I'm pretty much just going to be doing more videos as I build my computer, so you guys can follow along with me and see. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just feel free to ask. I will try to, explain more to you, so if you want to build your computer, you're not, completely lost or clueless. So this has been a simple unboxing of my new motherboard for my desktop. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll have more videos coming along. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.